If you are a small business owner, you have to watch this video till the very end, because in this video, I'm going to show you one simple thing that you can change inside your business that will give you an ROI of 170%, or it will help you close 55% of your lead. Now, before I show you this exact one simple thing, you first need to watch this video by Alex Hermosi.
I just met a business owner who had one of the craziest stats I've ever heard. He was closing 55% of leads, not people he talked to, leads. And I was like, dude, how on earth are you doing that? And he's like, it's pretty simple. I pay one girl $60,000 a year to do nothing but just call leads within 60 seconds. And I was like, well, how many leads a day do you get? And he said, 2 or 3. So I was like, hold on. You get 2 to 3 leads a day. And this person, do they do anything else? He said, no, they have no other responsibilities in the business besides whatever you're doing. You have to stop, put 10 notifications on your phone so that you never miss it, and then call them immediately.
Now, if you understand the core message of this short clip, it can literally change your business. And that's why I have broken down each sentence that Alex said in this video so that you guys can understand the main points of the video and apply it inside your business. So the clip started with Alex explaining how he met someone, a dude, and he was closing 55% of leads, not the people he was talking to, but leads. So what does even closing 55% of your leads mean? Let me give you a tangible example. Let's say you're spending $1,000 on ads, right? And each lead cost you $10. So after spending $1,000, you got 100 leads. And according to this guy, he's closing 55 leads because he has a 55% closing rate. So here you have 55 closed clients. And let's say if you're selling each one of them for $500, you will get $27,500. Now, if we calculate the R percentage on this, we minus the ad spend here and we divide it by the total cost. So the total cost would be, let's say this 27,500 is not all profit, 50% of is cost. So the total cost would be 15,750. If I add the $1,000 of ad spend as well, the answer would come at around 1.68 or something. Now, if you multiply that by 100, you will get the percentage, which would be around 170%. And I don't know about you, but I will take that any day of the week. Now, coming back, Alex naturally asked this dude how he is doing that. So the dude was like, I pay one girl $60,000 a year. Now, don't worry. The way I'm going to show you how to achieve this, it will not require you to pay a girl $60,000 a year. It would be like something around fraction of this cost. You will spend around, $200 or $300 a month. But yeah, stick with the video to know how to do it. So their job is to call these leads within the first 60 seconds. So Alex was like, how many leads you get? He gets like 2 or 3 leads, because if you have a lead to close rate of 55%, you don't need much leads, right? Now the dude was like, I get 2-3 leads, and this person that I hired, she has nothing to do but put 10 notification on her phone and get to answer the phone or call these leads within the first 60 seconds of them opting in. And the way we will set up these notifications, our assistant, they will call these leads not within 60 seconds, but within 1 second. Yeah, I know you might be thinking I'm crazy, but just stick with the video. So now what we actually got from this entire video, in order to achieve this 55% lead to close rate, we have to dedicate one person to call the leads. And we also want to do a phone call. The dedicated person did not send a text or an email. They did a phone call. So the channel of contact should be a phone call. And the third thing is they have to call them within 60 seconds, no matter how many notifications they have to put inside their phone, but they have to make sure that the call is made within 60 seconds. Now, the additional thing that I'm going to add to this is going to be, we are going to do this without spending $60,000 a year on one person. And we will also make it scalable without any additional cost. Because let's say you are paying one person $60,000. The minute you need to hire one more person, it's additional $60,000. Right? The way I'm going to show you, for the same cost, you will build this assistant once who will do the exact same things that this person can do without you having to increase the price if you want to increase the assistant. So our system that I'm going to show you, it will be able to call hundreds of leads simultaneously and 24/7. Now you might be wondering, this sounds too good to be true. There is no possible human in the world that can do this. And you're right, because we are not going to take help of humans. We are going to build an AI agent. Now, before you click off this video, this is a possibility right now. Many of the business in the world are using it. Just because you don't know about this, it doesn't mean this does not exist. So let me show you a live demo of this AI so you can really internalize and believe in this.
Hi there, this is Andrew. How can I help you today?
Hey Andrew, I was just showing you off to the audience. Just tell me some things about your
Oh,
capability.
oh, awesome. Thanks for showing me off. No pressure, right? So let me tell you a bit about what I can do. I'm an AI phone agent, which means I can handle phone calls for businesses in a super efficient and professional way. I can answer incoming calls, provide information about products or services, take messages, schedule appointments, and even help troubleshoot common issues. Basically, I can act as a virtual receptionist or customer support agent. I'm available 24/7, so businesses don't have to worry about missing calls after hours or during busy times. Plus, I can handle multiple calls at once, so no one gets stuck on hold. I'm also trained to sound natural and conversational, so customers feel like they're talking to a real person. Oh, and I can integrate with CRM systems or other tools businesses use, so I can log call details, update customer records, or even send follow up emails if needed. Pretty cool, right? Let me know if you want me to dive deeper into anything.
No, I think that's enough. You drew the point home for the audience. So, yeah, thank you. So by definition, AI agents are autonomous intelligent system that can perform tasks just like a human without human intervention. Now I know this is a lot to wrap your head around this, but you have to start somewhere. Now this conversation that you just heard, it was built on a platform known as Retail AI. By the way, all the links will be in the description. But as you can see, this one AI agent has the capability to talk with hundreds of leads at once, and it can reach out to them within 1 second. And not just that, if we connect this to an automation platform like GoHighLevel, we will have the capability of doing everything that a personal assistant or a receptionist will do. It can update your CRM, it can manipulate your CRM, it can update your calendar, it can book appointment, it can send SMS and emails to the leads, and it can just sell them. And it will do all these things 24/7 without any human intervention, and it can simultaneously do this while doing other tasks as well. So now you can see the benefit. And something like this platform, if you will just go there and create your AI agent, it will cost you $0 because they give you 60 minutes of free talk time, and then they charge you pay as you go. And I have installed these systems for 50 plus businesses, and I can tell you, if you are a small business, you don't require that much of calling. The cost for you running this would be somewhere around 100 to $200, right? And for this automation platform, the cost is $100. So an average $200 to $300 per month. Now compare that with $60,000 a year to one human that can do limited number of tasks for limited time, and the energy, time, knowledge, everything is limited. Where here, the more you train it, the more you use it, it just gets better. And with time, these things are just growing like exponentially. I'm telling you, literally, I have been in this field for 2 years now. And literally, as early as 1.5 year ago, businesses started to adopt this, and they were using it as a core part of their business. Because in couple of years, AI agents will not just be some tool that every business use, but it will be a core employee inside a lot of businesses. And the businesses which does not have AI agent inside of them will die, because there is no comparison. You cannot compete with this AI agent that can call thousands of people. But don't get me wrong, these AI agents are only as good as your systems or your training data is, because you are going to train these AI agents on something, and that something needs to be your system that is working. If you will give the AI agents a bad system, or the system that is not already working, then you are just going to multiply the negative of your business. So you need to have positive or working material or systems inside your business to give it to the AI agent so that it can multiply those things. And now, if you are a business owner and you still doubt this technology, then check the description and book a call with me. I will personally give you a demo of this AI agent and these systems. So do yourself a favor and book a demo call. And to finish off this video, I'll say the same thing that Alex said. If you ever needed a stronger reason to have a dedicated AI agent to call your leads faster, let this video be it. With that said, that was all for this video. Wait for the next one.